Day 1. You crack your knuckles. It feels satisfying. Nothing else happens. Day 3. Still popping them. No pain, no swelling. Seems harmless. Day 7. It becomes a habit. You don't even notice when you do it. Day 14. Everyone tells you to stop, but your hands feel completely normal. Day 30. Here's the truth. Knuckle cracking does not cause arthritis. The sound comes from gas bubbles bursting inside joint fluid. But cracking too aggressively can weaken grip strength and irritate ligaments over time.